Hi there, welcome to my channel. For those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I have I bought a novelty today. It looked kind of cool. Okay, so I'm going to show you right away what it is. So here it is. It's supposed to make spirals, okay? And right now there's an apple in there, right? But if you use potatoes, you can actually just take a fryer and put those in. And they used to have that in the fairs all the time, right? In the agricultural fairs and stuff. And I am going to be using an apple and trying this out. Okay, so if I disengage where my thumb is, okay, I can move that shaft in and out wherever I want. So it's just going to follow the lead screw, right? And on this end, this is a blade, and there's a blade here where my finger is. So it's supposed to pit the apple and peel it at the same time. So let's take a look and see if this works. Okay. I have it stuck to the table. Now I am going to put a plate underneath, and let's start peeling this thing. So it's starting to engage. It's peeling, but it's taking off a lot of material, but it is working. It actually works. Just gonna feed it through. And there you go. I made it through. So this should just come off the core, which it does. This is pretty cool. Look at that. And there's the core, and here's the apple. Right? So this is a go. It's a ThinkKitchen 3-in-1 Apple Machine. Well, it says apple, but I'm going to run some potatoes in there and get some french fries out of that thing. And if there's enough of you guys that want to see that, put it down in the comments below, and we'll see if it works with a potato. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!